How to fix Twitter follow limit exceeded error. So if you want to fix your Twitter follow limit exceeded error, then first you need to open up your Twitter or your X application. After that, you need to open up your profile, which is on the upper left. From your profile, you need to go with settings and support and go with settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, you need to scroll down, go with accessibility, display and language. And from here, you need to go with data usage. Under data usage, and here you will have clear cache. If you don't find the clear cache, then you can tap and hold on to your Twitter application. Go with the app info. From the app info, you need to go with storage and cache. Under cache, you need to go with clear cache. After clearing your cache, now you can go back and you can open up your Play Store. From your Play Store, you can go with search. Under search, you can search for X or Twitter. And now if you have any updates, you need to go and update the application. After updating, your problem will be fixed. You can go back to your Twitter, open your Twitter application, and then go back and try to follow someone, and it will fix your problem. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.